Hey, what's up guys? Dr. Chuck here, physical therapist, and today in this video we're going to be taking the Zeen throughout the kitchen and showing you how it navigates common kitchen tasks, okay? So if you're interested in the Zeen or maybe already a Zeen user and you really want to learn more what you can do in the kitchen, then this video is for you, okay? If you want to learn more about the Zeen, I have some other videos. I'm going to link my full playlist. I think it's up here in this corner, also down in the description below. And I have no affiliation with Zeen. I simply love the mobility device and everything it has to offer, okay? So also, I don't think I said this yet. I'm not implying that every Zeen user can do what I'm about to show you in the video, okay? Some Zeen users have to always hold on to the handlebars and they're not able to go hands-free and do a lot of the tasks you'll be seeing me do. I'm simply showing you what the device can do. Again, it depends on your physical capabilities, okay? So first and foremost, carrying objects is obviously a common kitchen task. So, you know, we got the sacred cup of joe here. So you can carry things and drive one-handed, okay? So compared to some other mobility devices, standard walkers, it's hard to drive one-handed, but you can do that with the Zeen. And the main reason is because you're not really driving with your hands. I mean, they help a little bit, but you're actually driving like with your body. The Zeen is attached to you and you're really driving it with your body for the most part. You kind of have to have the belt at the right tightness and the seat at the right height for this to work optimally well, okay? But yeah, carrying objects is very possible with the Zeen. By the way, you might see me keep getting caught on this throw rug. I'm in an Airbnb right now. And so you might want to consider that if you have one in the kitchen. I'm getting caught on it a little bit. But anyway, let's do the oven next. All right, so here we go. Taking something out, all while being supported by the seat if my knees were to buckle or something like that, okay? Now, notice I'm bending a little bit. So if that's tough for you, nice thing about the Zeen is you can come down if you need to, okay? You can even flip these handlebars out of your way if you need to. I'm gonna flip this one back. So now I'm sitting down, you know, no problem. Reach here, okay? Good to go. Now, one thing I wanna note here is if you wanna carry like a tray or something like that, there's no tray on the Zeen itself. But I think if I just rest the side of my palms on the handlebars here and walk like this, I mean, this works pretty good. So, and maybe if like this one drops down between, so I'm kind of still holding it with like my fingers, but if you had one that was even wider, it could just like rest on here maybe. I'm not sure, but a couple options there. Probably my favorite thing about the Zeen is you can be at the height of a working surface. So like this counter here or like an island or something. And you can work while being supported. You got this seat right here. So if anything happens, I mean, you know, you're safe. Real quick note, the Zeen is not injury proof. Okay. So you could still like crash into something or get your feet caught in the wheels if you're not using it correctly. So you still have to use it correctly. But anyway, I love how close I can get to this surface. I can flip these handlebars back. All right, now I'm real close. I can do some mincing, some chopping. I can go up here, all right? Again, all while being supported. I'm hands-free. It's amazing, all right? So, the other really cool thing is their barstool mode, okay? So what I can do, I'm actually gonna put the brakes on for this. Okay, I'm gonna scoot back. Okay, now, well, pop the brakes off, I guess. Now I'm gonna flip these back and scoot forward. Now I can only get so close. You hear the wheels hitting the cupboards down there. I can only get so close, but I could even scoot forward a little bit. That's if I get tired of standing. Now I'm still at the height of the higher working surface, but I'm sitting. I mean, how sweet is that, okay? Here we go, working, okay? And I can even stay right in this position. I think I took the brakes off. Yeah, I can even stay in this bar stool mode. I can scoot over to here, scoot over to the sink, all right? Put this stuff in the sink, wash. Now notice this is kind of awkward, like at least the way this sink is arranged. I mean, I guess I could scoot forward on the seat a little bit, but this is some awkward bending. So if you have the physical capabilities, at least with a sink, for better body mechanics, you know, standing might be better. Again, I'm still supported. I can even open the dishwasher here. I'm actually going to show you the dishwasher next from a different angle. So let me do that. All right, so we're coming up to the dishwasher here. Kind of like the oven, you know, you can do it from a standing position like this. You can come down to a seated position. You can get these out of the way. Actually, I'm going to click the brakes off, I mean. So yeah, you know, you can do stuff. You know, it depends on where your cupboards are as far as putting stuff away. And now, I think I still have the fridge in frame here. The fridge, you know, you can open stuff up, grab something, okay, and then just go about. Now, when you're moving the Zeen, you don't use your arms, obviously. I have to use my feet. So some people can move like this, some people can't. I can access the fridge from a standing position as well, like this. All right, so if I want to grab something, again, carrying things is fantastic. Whoops. You have to get used to how much Zeen you got behind you, because sometimes I kind of whack stuff when I'm turning, but that's a learning curve. But anyway, yeah, you know, basically the whole thing with the kitchen is you can do a lot of stuff hands-free. You have the option of standing while still being supported, or sitting, okay, in barstool mode. Again, for people who like to do a lot of work and prep, this alone, this barstool mode, getting nice and high on an island or something, is a game changer. So yeah, I think we hit all the main kitchen tasks. I'm sure I forgot one, so if I did, leave it in the comments below. I'll try and maybe make a follow-up video or something like that. Like I said, I do have a link to my Zeen playlist down in the description if you want to learn more about the Zeen. And if you haven't already, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It really helps me grow my channel so I can keep bringing you guys more videos just like this, all right? So if you do have any questions, definitely drop them down in the comments. I do try and read and respond to all of them, all right? So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you have a great day.